Did Warren Buffett, the legendary investor who once called Bitcoin rat poison squared, just make $1 billion bet on crypto? The answer might surprise you. In a move that has shocked Wall Street and sent ripples through the crypto world, Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway has invested heavily in a company with deep ties to the future of finance. We're talking about a game changer here, folks. This isn't just another stock pick, it's a glimpse into where the smartest money on the planet sees the future heading. If you only watch one video today, make sure you watch this one all the way till the end. For decades, Warren Buffett has been a staunch advocate for value investing, sticking to businesses he understands and holding for the long term. He's famously avoided tech stocks and digital currencies, viewing them as speculative bubbles. So, what's changed? Why is Buffett, a man known for his cautious approach, diving headfirst into the world of crypto? The answer lies in understanding the specific company Berkshire Hathaway has invested in, and its potential to disrupt traditional finance. This isn't about chasing hype, it's about recognizing a paradigm shift in how we bank, invest, and manage our money. In this video, we'll break down Buffett's billion-dollar crypto bet, exploring the fintech giant poised to revolutionize finance. Learn why Buffett sees massive potential in this company. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, this video is your guide. Subscribe so you don't miss out on the next important update. Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, has built a financial empire and a legendary reputation by consistently picking winning investments. But his success isn't about following trends or chasing quick profits. It's about a disciplined approach to value investing. Buffett looks for companies with strong fundamentals, solid management, and a durable competitive advantage, often in sectors that are overlooked or misunderstood by the market. He's patient, waiting for the right opportunities, and then he goes all in, just like he has with this recent crypto-related investment. When Warren Buffett makes a move, Wall Street pays attention. Why? Because his track record speaks for itself. For over half a century, he's consistently outperformed the market, generating incredible returns for Berkshire Hathaway shareholders. His investments are meticulously researched and strategically timed, often signaling a shift in market sentiment or the emergence of a new economic trend. This latest investment in a crypto-related company is a clear indication that even the most traditional investors are recognizing the transformative potential of this sector. While the headlines scream Buffett bets big on crypto, it's essential to understand that he's not chasing the latest fad. Buffett's interest lies in the underlying value and long-term potential of the companies he invests in. He's not swayed by short-term market fluctuations or speculative bubbles. Instead, he focuses on businesses with a clear path to profitability and a sustainable competitive advantage. In this case, it's about recognizing the transformative power of fintech and its ability to disrupt traditional financial systems. So, what is this crypto-related company that has captured Buffett's attention? It's none other than Nu Holdings, a leading digital banking platform revolutionizing financial services in emerging markets. With a market cap of $57.89 billion, Nu Holdings is a global player, offering a wide range of financial products and services, from mobile banking and credit cards to investments and insurance. But what makes Nu Holdings truly unique is its commitment to financial inclusion, providing access to modern financial services to millions of people who were previously underserved by traditional banks. What's got Buffett so excited about Nu Holdings? It's their disruptive approach to banking. Traditional banks are bogged down by legacy systems and high fees. Nu Holdings offers a seamless, user-friendly experience with lower costs. Think of it as the Uber or Airbnb of banking. They're attracting millions of customers embracing the digital revolution in finance. This is a company that's not afraid to challenge the status quo. Now let's talk numbers because that's what Buffett always looks at. Nu Holdings boasts a market cap of $57.89 billion, putting it among the world's most valuable fintech companies. Their price-to-earnings ratio stands at 32.50, indicating strong investor confidence in their future growth potential. And with EPS of $0.38, Nu Holdings is demonstrating its ability to generate profits and deliver value to shareholders. These are the kinds of metrics that get Buffett's attention, signaling a company with a solid foundation and a bright future. But there's more to the story than just numbers. Buffett recognizes the transformative power of financial inclusion, and that's where Nu Holdings truly shines. They're reaching millions of people in emerging markets who were previously excluded from traditional banking systems. These are individuals and businesses with a pent-up demand for financial services, and Nu Holdings is providing them with access to credit, savings, and investment opportunities that were once out of reach. This is a massive untapped market, and Nu Holdings is strategically positioned to capitalize on this global shift towards greater financial inclusion. You might be thinking, hold on, you said this was about crypto. Where does the crypto part come in? Buffett's move isn't a direct investment in Bitcoin, it's a strategic bet on a company bridging traditional finance and digital assets. New Holdings uses blockchain to offer innovative financial solutions. They're shaping the future of finance by integrating the best of both worlds. New Holdings isn't just a bank, it's building a complete fintech ecosystem. They're offering a wide range of services, from payments and remittances to investments and insurance, all within a single user-friendly platform. This integrated approach is disrupting the traditional banking model, which often forces customers to navigate a fragmented landscape of different providers. By offering a one-stop shop for all their financial needs, New Holdings is creating customer loyalty and driving growth at an unprecedented scale. This is the kind of innovation that attracted Buffett, who sees the value in companies that are changing the game. While New Holdings has a strong presence in Latin America, its ambitions extend far beyond its home turf. They're aggressively expanding into new markets, including the United States and Europe, bringing their unique brand of digital banking to a global audience. This global expansion strategy is fueled by their ability to adapt to local regulations and cater to the specific needs of different customer segments. Buffett's investment is a testament to their ability to execute on this ambitious roadmap and establish themselves as a dominant force in the global fintech landscape. Here's why Buffett's bet makes sense. Finance is undergoing a revolution, and Buffett's investment in New Holdings shows he understands the future is digital and inclusive. Despite his risk-averse reputation, Buffett sees long-term trends. New Holdings is poised to capitalize on this shift, offering substantial returns. Now, you're probably wondering, how can I find more opportunities like New Holdings? How can I get in on the ground floor of the next big thing before everyone else catches on? It's all about having the right tools and insights to make smart investment decisions. You need to be able to identify those hidden gems, those companies that are poised for explosive growth, but haven't yet hit the mainstream radar. That's where Forecaster comes in. It's the ultimate tool for uncovering high-value investments and staying ahead of the curve. Your portfolio will thank you. Try Forecaster for free today. Forecaster gives you the power to analyze companies like a pro, with in-depth data, advanced charting tools, and expert insights. You'll be able to spot trends, evaluate risks, and make informed decisions about where to put your money. No more relying on guesswork or following the crowd. Forecaster empowers you to become an independent, confident investor. And the best part? You can try it out for free today. That's right, we're so confident that you'll love Forecaster that we're offering a no-risk trial. As a valued viewer of Stocks Galore, we're giving you an exclusive discount. Just use the code GALORE10 at checkout, and you'll get 10% off your Forecaster subscription. That's right, just for being part of this amazing community, you're getting access to this powerful investment tool at a discounted price. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to take your investing game to the next level. Take control of your financial future. Start using Forecaster now. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, Forecaster has something for everyone. It's the key to unlocking your full investment potential and achieving your financial goals. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to the link in the description, sign up for your free trial, and don't forget to use the code GALORE10 for your exclusive discount. Your portfolio will thank you. Now let's get back to our analysis of New Holdings and why Warren Buffett is betting big on this fintech giant. We've talked about their impressive financials and their commitment to financial inclusion, but there's more to this story. New Holdings is a growth machine, plain and simple. Their user base is exploding, particularly among younger demographics who are ditching traditional banks in droves. They're drawn to New Holdings' sleek mobile platform, transparent fee structure, and focus on customer experience. This is a company that's built for the digital age, and their growth trajectory reflects that. New Holdings is riding a massive wave of fintech adoption, particularly in emerging markets where traditional banking infrastructure is often lacking. They're filling a critical void by providing modern, accessible financial services to millions of people who were previously excluded from the system. This isn't just about banking the unbanked. It's about empowering individuals and businesses with the tools they need to thrive in the 21st century economy. New Holdings is strategically positioned at the forefront of this global transformation, and their growth potential is nothing short of staggering. What's particularly exciting about New Holdings is their ambition to become more than just a bank. They're building a comprehensive financial ecosystem that encompasses everything from payments and lending to investments and insurance. This one-stop-shop approach is incredibly appealing to consumers who are tired of juggling multiple accounts and providers. By offering a seamless, integrated experience, New Holdings is creating a sticky platform that keeps users engaged and coming back for more. This ecosystem play is a key driver of their growth and a testament to their long-term vision. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, Warren Buffett's significant investment in new holdings. This is a man who carefully picks his spots, and his endorsement carries immense weight in the investment world. Buffett's bet on new holdings is a resounding vote of confidence in their business model, their management team, and their long-term growth potential. It's a signal to the market that this is a company to watch, a company that's built to last and deliver substantial returns for investors who share their vision. So there you have it, folks. Warren Buffett's billion-dollar bet on new holdings is more than just a headline. It's a glimpse into the future of finance. This is a story about disruption, innovation, and the power of financial inclusion. New holdings is rewriting the rules of banking, and their growth potential is undeniable. If you're looking for investment opportunities that align with the mega trends shaping our world, new holdings deserves a closer look. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to uncovering hidden gems in the market. Level up your investing game. Join the Stocks Galore Patreon. If you want exclusive stock tips, in-depth analysis, real-time trade alerts, and free investing guides, you need to join the Stocks Galore Patreon today. We're building a community of smart investors who are serious about growing their wealth and staying ahead of the curve. Head over to patreon.com/stocksgalore and become part of our growing community of savvy investors. The link is in the description. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your investing game to the next level. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the knowledge. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video insightful. Let's get 1,000 likes on this one and show the world that we're paying attention to the companies shaping the future. And while you're at it, subscribe to the Stocks Galore channel and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest market analysis and investment ideas. Share this video with your friends, family, and fellow investors who want to stay ahead of the game. Until next time, keep exploring, keep investing, and keep your eyes on the prize. This is Stocks Galore, signing off.